You've got a diagonal wall crack in your house and you're like, oh my gosh, what's happening here? I don't know what's going on. It's freaking me out. So the question is, what does a diagonal wall crack mean for my home, for my foundation, and beyond? I'm Nika, the foundation repair chica, and I'm gonna explain this to you in a way that's easy for you to understand. You've got a diagonal wall crack like this. This one starts here at the corner of the door frame and goes over. Sometimes you could also see these around window frames or any other type of cased opening in your home. And so what happens is that a part of your home is settling or sinking down lower than it was built. So what's happening here is that it's actually sinking this way and it's pulling the drywall apart and creating that crack. So you're probably wondering what you need to do next. What we try to recommend is that you check the rest of your home for other signs of foundation problems. For example, often when you have a diagonal crack around a door frame or something like that, you also might have a door that's acting janky. This door, you can't even close it. It's just binding up here at the top. Having a door problem is also another classic sign of foundation settlement and foundation problems. Just check around the rest of your home, look for some of these other signs, and we have that information in articles on our website. Check the link, it'll give you more information about diagonal wall cracks and other signs of foundation problems. See what's going on.